Hi guys, and today this is Rabbit Two Shorts. Q&A time. Number one. This question is almost gonna be hard. Don't worry. Maybe you will answer it, okay? First, like and subscribe. Now back to the video. Anyways, this is Q&A time. Rabbit Two Shorts. And today, our question is question and asking. How much do you love your mom? A. You love your mom more than your dad. B. You love your dad more than your mom. Click like if your team mom. Click subscribe if your team dad. Anyways, that's just a question. Next episode part coming. Part 2 coming later or the next day. Bye bye.